Hey gang, welcome to the channel. Okay guys, so for today, I will be doing a reaction video to guessing the notification sounds of no. I'm guessing the phone brands by the notification sounds. Okay. I just wanted to test out how many notification sounds do I know, okay? I think this is gonna be pretty easy for me. Okay, let's see, okay? Okay gang, we're here and click.
Let's get started.
This is gonna be easy.
Round 1.
Easy. Oh no, patay.
Blackberry. Round 2.
Oh no!
Lava. Round 3.
Bro, it's so fast. Wait, let's analyze first. I think that it's gonna be Lenovo. I'm just guessing, okay? But I think that it's gonna be like Lenovo or LG. Gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't know. There are like a lot of things here to decide on. This was way harder than I thought.
Xiaomi.
No!
Round 4.
Oh gosh, bro. Okay, I think. Okay, this is definitely gonna be CoolPod.
Sony.
Dang it.
Round 5.
Nokia. Okay, finally something I know.
Nokia. Round 6.
Easy.
LG.
Oh.
Round 7. Coolvid. Round
You gotta be
8.
kidding me. I definitely
Google.
do not know that.
Round 9.
Okay, I know that's Oppo. It better be Oppo. Oppo.
Oppo.
Yes.
Round 10.
This is easy. It's an iPhone. Apple.
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 Round 11.
Uh-oh.
Mizu.
Bro.
Round 12.
Then, it kind of sound, I think that it's either Honor.
Nakain ka ba?
It better be Honor. Or, it better be Honor, wait. It's either Honor or HTC.
HTC.
Yes!
Round 13.
Okay, this is hard.
Honor. Round
Bruh.
14.
I know that. That's definitely gonna be Samsung.
Round 15.
This is hard.
OnePlus. Round 16. ZTE.
Bruh.
Round 17.
I swear, bro.
Lenovo.
Bro!
Round 18.
Bro, again? I swear that this was earlier in the video.
Vivo. Write the results in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss interesting videos.
Yeah, I'm gonna look for something else. Latest videos, bro. Guess the app by its sound quiz. Easy. Okay, let's see. Instead of phone brands, we're testing out apps. Okay, social media apps this time, gang. Okay, let's do this.
Customization transforms
sorry.
your beauty brand.
Ready? Yes, I'm ready. Listen carefully. Of course. Twitch. I'm guessing. I'm gonna guess, guys. I'm gonna guess. Oh gosh, bruh. I'm wrong. I'm so wrong. Oh, Shopee! I knew it. Bruh, it's so obvious. Shopee. I knew it. Guys, I knew it. Let's go! Discord! Oh, no, Skycall. I know it. Skycall. Let's go! Are you sure that this is a ringtone? Because I usually hear it in like a bunch of other stuff, like YouTube Shorts or something. I never thought this would be a ringtone. I don't know. Subway Surfers, what? Samsung, bro. Nah, it's Samsung. What? This is a Samsung. Oh. Oh gosh, I don't know. Oh gosh, bro. I really don't know. Wait, what? That's Zoom? That's literally a Zoom call? Netflix! Easy.
Silan, kaya na ikaw.
Yes, I knew it, guys. Uh-oh, this is hard. What the heck, bro? Oh, Snapchat! Oh, man, I can't believe I never heard that. And I used Snapchat a lot when I was young.
Ano?
Easy, it's Twitter.
Nag-usap na kayo ni Mami daw eh.
Easy, it's Twitter, guys. It's Twitter. Yes, I knew it. Oh my gosh, I know this. But the second that I heard the first part of the song, I already know it's OnePlus, guys. I know it was OnePlus. Okay. Gosh, I hope that it's OnePlus, bro. I'm so nervous. Wait, what? I thought that was OnePlus, bro. Yeah, it technically has like a plus over there. It's actually Disney Plus, not one. Bro, that was insane. Oh gosh, guys, I'm so nervous
Hey,
about
if
this
you
one.
can,
I honestly don't know, guys. Comment down below if you guys do.
Sa rice cooker.
I think it's like an honor sound. I don't know. Yes, it's Messenger. Messenger. I knew it. Let's go. It's Messenger. I know it is. Yes, sir. Facebook Messenger. Wait, I know. Alexa! 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 Alexa!
Come here.
Wait, what? TikTok? That sounded like an Alexa. Bro. I don't know. I seriously don't know.
Nanasan ko na na. Silan, pen tissue.
Bruh, this sounds like one of those
More.
YouTube
Wait,
Shorts
pang one.
things. Instagram? Wait, what? Ah, Microsoft Teams. That's a very nostalgic sound. Microsoft Teams. Uh-oh, I don't know this.
Gusto mong gawin ko. Paypayan ka habang kumakain ako.
Oh my gosh, bro. I don't really watch HBO Go, that's why. Oppo. I know that's Oppo, bro. I know that's Oppo. It's definitely Oppo. Come on, bro. Wait, what?
Parang ang gulang na ng ano. Resya.
Sinabi nga ni Pao, ni Pao nung kinuha ko yan, ang sabi, medyo magulang nung nakuha ang patela.
Sino? Magiging ano na to eh.
heard about this
Panghilod eh.
before, but I just don't know. I forgot. Oh gosh, bro. Discord. 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 Discord.
Stop spamming Discord in the
Magulang ang
chat.
gawa mo.
Bro. Yes, I know it. Okay, I don't know that. I honestly don't know that. That's hard, okay? That was Twitch?
Ate, sumubok.
It's actually Twitch? That's a surprise. Googleplex, buddy. Wait, what? Oh. I don't know. I don't know, bro.
Ayun, sarap pa
Ano
naman.
nangyari sa ano mo, Lloyd?
Slack. Well, guys, that'll be all for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Okay, subscribe, notification so that you won't miss any more videos, okay? Bye!